Welcome back to the Air District. Today, we're going on a high-flying adventure into the sky. Oh no. As we fly higher, the ear canal starts feeling some heavy pressure from the outside world. The air outside is pushing hard, appearing like a heavy, transparent fog pressing against the district's walls. Drumline, the eardrum, is stretching. He's feeling very uncomfortable and totally out of tune. Because the air pressure is higher on the outside, everything inside the ear district is getting pushed and tilted. The Ossicle trio can't even dance. Sound becomes muffled and distorted, making it hard to hear anything clearly. But wait, help is on the way. Your body has a special trick to fix this pressure problem. Here's Dr. Sound. He knows exactly how to balance the pressure and save our musical district. Take a big yawn or a swallow. This simple move opens the eustachian tube, the district's secret relief valve. Pop. Fresh air rushes in, and the pressure is perfectly balanced in an instant. Drumline is back to his bouncy self, and the Ossicle trio is back to their upbeat rhythm. Remember, just swallow or yawn to keep your ears happy. See you next time in the Air District.